this Hangouts on Air. My name is Marcos Psimidis. Today, we will be discussing the topics of data analytics, data mining, and cognitive data. Let's explore the aspects of each one of those. First is the data analytics, which is basically a science examining raw data and attempts to draw conclusions about that information. Let's see where data analytics is mostly used. Data analytics is widely used in industries in a way that allows the industry themselves to make better decisions about their future. It also allows scientists to verify or disprove existing models or theories. Next on our list is the data mining. The data mining is a computational process of discovering patterns in large data sets. It involves methods that are very close to artificial intelligence. It is also connected with machine learning, statistics, and database systems. Let's explore some more the aspects of the data mining. You see, the goal of the data mining is to first of all extract information from a dataset, and secondly to transform that information into an understandable structure. Data mining involves various tasks in order to be complete. One of those tasks is anomaly detection, another is association rule learning, the third one is clustering, the fourth one is classification, the fifth one is regression, and the last one is summarization. Now let's explore those tasks in detail. First in our list is the anomaly detection, which basically means the identification of unusual data records, something that will lead to errors that should be fixed. Next in our list is the association rule learning. What I mean by that is the searches of relations between variables. This task is also referred as the market basket analysis. Going down the list is the clustering, which basically means the discovering of groups and structures in the data that are similar, and that is something that is accomplished without using known structure in the data. Following after the clustering is the classification. The classification is a task that basically generalizes known structures to apply new data. An example of that would be the attempt of identifying an email as legit or as spam. Going down the list, we have the regression, which is basically the attempt of finding a function which models data with the least possible error. After the regression, we have the summarization. The summarization task means providing a more compact representation of the data set. It also involves visualization and report generation. That concludes the tasks involved in the data mining. Next, we will explore the various aspects of the cognitive data. Cognitive data involves the addressing of complex situations, the handling of human kind of problems, the provision of machine-aided serendipity, and finally the going through data and finding patterns to apply them in the moment. In order for cognitive data to achieve the new level of computing, cognitive systems must apply to the following. They should be adaptive, they should be interactive, they should be iterative and stateful, and finally be contextual. When I say adaptive and interactive, I mean that the system should be easily adapted as information changes. Also, the resolving of ambiguity and the tolerance of unpredictability. Also, it is essential to interact easily with users and to interact with other processors, devices, and cloud services as well as with people. Being iterative and stateful means defining a problem by asking questions, finding additional source input, remembering previous interactions, and the returning of the information that can be useful at the moment. Next is the contextual part, which is basically the understanding, identifying, and extracting contextual information from a dataset. Today, we have discussed the topics of data analytics, data mining, and cognitive data. I am going to finish with a quote from Mark Benioff. The world is being reshaped by the convergence of social, mobile, cloud, big data, community, and other powerful forces. The combination of these technologies unlock an incredible opportunity to connect everything together in a new way and is dramatically transforming the way we live and work. That's all I have for you today. Thank you.